Have you ever walked into a dusty room and suddenly felt a big sneeze coming on? That's your nose's way of protecting you. Tiny dust particles float in the air, and when you breathe them in, they can irritate the sensitive lining inside your nose. Special cells called nerve endings sense these unwanted visitors and send a quick message to your brain. The brain responds by triggering a powerful sneeze, which blasts air out of your nose at high speed. This helps to blow out the dust and keep your airways clear. So, sneezing is your body's clever way to keep things clean inside.